The Wisconsin Department of Public Instruction collects data annually on the post-school outcomes of students who had IEPs in effect at the time they left school and were enrolled in higher education within 1 year of leaving high school, were competitively employed within 1 year of leaving high school, or were enrolled in some other post-secondary education or training, or in some other employment within 1 year of leaving high school. The data that is collected is an unduplicated, hierarchical count of the activities in which youth are participating in within 1 year after exit from high school. This PDF is a visual of the percent of respondents in each category of the Indicator 14 survey by CESA region. The green portion of the pie graph indicates percent of respondents' participation in higher education. The blue portion is percent involved in competitive employment. Yellow is other post-secondary education or training. Purple is other employment. And peach is the percentage of respondents who did not meet any of the Indicator 14 criteria. There are 12 CESA regions in the state. Respondents to the survey are exiters from the 2018-2019 school year who had an IEP in place at their time of exit. Exiters may have left their school by receiving a diploma, receiving a certificate of attendance, reaching the maximum age of eligibility for services, or dropping out of high school. Exiters have been out of school for 1 year at the time of the survey. The survey ran June 1st through September 30th, 2020. CESA 1 had the highest number of respondents with 1,491 respondents out of a possible 2,328 exiters. The smallest number of respondents occurred in CESA 8, with 102 respondents out of 177 possible. The response rate by CESA ranged from 57.63% to 80.89%.